Now, right beside me is a Toyota Fortuner, an SUV na matatawag na nating staple sa mga daan natin dito sa Pilipinas. Now, a lot of people say na popular itong nameplate nito because Toyota used its tried and tested recipe of features, capabilities, and syempre yung iconic Toyota reliability. But the question is the Toyota Fortuner worth buying, or in this case, worth choosing over its competitors na nag-offer ng mga advanced features, especially in 2023? That's what we're gonna find out. This is Paolo, and welcome to Car Moody. Here at the front, the Toyota Fortuner offers the perfect balance of sexiness and aggressiveness. Kitang-kita nyo naman sa right ratio of its angles and contours. The Toyota Fortuner wears an all-LED lighting setup. So that means LED na yung kanyang front headlamps, yung daytime running lamps, yung front fog lamps. It also has LED sequential turn signals. Para sa akin I like how the front fascia of the Toyota Fortuner looks like. Kasi timeless yung design niya. Isipin nyo matagal na tong nameplate na to, pero nakakasabay pa rin siya sa looks ng mga modern vehicles, modern SUVs. Also, this particular LTD variant, medyo unique yung mga appointments niya. So, slightly yung mga makakasalubong mo sa daan, alam na hindi base variant Toyota Fortuner yung dala mo. Dito naman tayo sa side. Okay, so from this angle, kitang-kita nyo yung beautiful two-tone design ng Toyota Fortuner. Magsimula muna tayo sa taas. At the top, it has a brushed aluminum roof rail. Meron din siyang black roof, black A-pillar, black B-pillar, at black C-pillar. Meron din siyang blacked out na side mirror na may repeater at merong slightly protruding na cameras. Now, providing beautiful contrast is its pearl white finish na accompanied by few chrome trims which can be found dito sa lower part ng window panels at sa kanyang mga door handles. Now, dito sa baba, black appointments na naman. They come in the form of the wheel arches, a black stepboard, and the two-tone 18-inch alloy wheels. Now, I like its two-tone design. Actually, maraming mga lumapit sa akin na nagsabi na parang medyo maliit tingnan yung Toyota Fortuner at this angle from a distance. Probably that's because of its black on white on black colors, no? Alam naman natin black is flattering, nakakapayat. So, siguro kaya magandang tignan yung ganong kulay sa kanya. Now, tingnan naman natin yung nasa likod. Dito sa likod, meron siyang black roof-mounted spoiler. Andyan mo rin makikita yung kanyang third brake lamp. Now, to each side are LED combination tail lamps with sequential turn signals. Now, I like what they did or yung approach na tinake nila sa design ng horizontal bar dito sa likod ng Toyota Fortuner. It's black and it hides the Fortuner script na discreet at minimalist yung design. Now, to each side, again, meron siyang reflectors and right down below, meron siyang black rear bumper. Now, yung sa sinasabi kong black horizontal bar, kung saan nandun yung discrete Fortuner script, dun nyo rin makikita yung switch for its power tailgate. That would give you access to a cargo space na, I don't know, for me medyo bitin. And if you look closely, unlike other SUVs, ang pag-fold ng third row seats nito ay pataas, which means that it takes up space and you can't really maximize the payload capacity or the cargo capacity of the Toyota Fortuner. One more thing, hindi siya flatbed, so nakausli yung mga tethers niya sa baba, which could be obstruction or obstructive kapag naglalagay kayo ng mga items sa loob. Overall, I like yung design ng Toyota Fortuner kasi cohesive yung approach niya. So may continuity yung kung anong nakikita mo sa harap, sa side, at dito sa back. Now, let's see what it has to offer inside. So right now, we are inside the Toyota Fortuner and kitang-kita nyo naman busog sa quality materials tong SUV na to. One good example, itong seats na inuupuan ko, it's wrapped in leather and at the same time, meron siyang perforation. Also, power adjusted din tong seats na to and cooled seats siya. Actually, I appreciate that kasi perfect siya for the Philippine weather. Also, meron siyang maroon accents. So, stylish siya tignan. Likewise, in theme yung kanyang center console, meron ding maroon accents. Yung leather wrap steering wheel, merong red and maroon-like stitching. Ganun din yung kanyang door trims which reflect the same design. Yung instrument panel nitong Toyota Fortuner offers a mix of both analog and digital gauges. But I wish sana fully digital na lang siya kagaya ng mga modern SUVs today. Complementing that is an 8-inch infotainment system na again, I think it could use an upgrade. Siguro mas maganda siya kung floating siya. Although JBL naman ang brand nitong infotainment system na to. And by the way, may JBL premium sound system itong Toyota Fortuner. So okay naman yung sound system sa loob ng cabin. Underneath the JBL branded infotainment system are switches for the single climate control ng Toyota Fortuner. Kanina sinabi namin na cooled yung seats, dito nyo rin ma-eco control yon. Additionally, meron kang USB charging port, may 12-volt socket, and merong wireless charging dock. Dito mo rin may engage yung 4x4 feature ng SUV na to. And speaking of 4x4, ang Toyota Fortuner, tong LTD variant, meron siyang locking differential. Isa pang na-appreciate ko sa Toyota Fortuner ay gated yung gear shifter niya. So, hindi mo siya accidentally mapapasok sa ibang gear, which means that it's a safer ride for you and your family. Now, tingnan naman natin yung second row seats. So, nandito na tayo sa second row seats ng Toyota Fortuner. And as you can see, generous yung space nito for the occupants dito sa second row. Kitang-kita nyo naman, malaki ang headroom space na ino-offer ng Toyota Fortuner. And yung headliner niya is finished in black. Now, for drivers or for families with kids, maganda to kasi although yes, kakapitan pa rin siya ng dumi, pero hindi siya madaling makita. And hindi siya mantsahin kagaya nung mga SUVs na may puting headliner. Also, I'd like to point out na makikita nyo medyo concave yung shape ng headliner niya, which adds to the space ng mga mauupo dito sa second row seats. However, yung mga passenger na mauupo sa gitna could be challenged kasi medyo mababa yung headliner niya dito. That's because nandito yung tunnel niya for the air conditioning vents for the third row seats. Speaking of air conditioning, meron aircon vents dito for the second row seat passengers. In terms of knee room and leg room, malaki talaga siya, no? So hindi nakakangawit sumakay sa Toyota Fortuner kahit short or long trips. And at the same time, it has a semi-flat floor, kaya comfortable talaga siya dito sa second row. Further, yung mga kids nyo na mauupo dito would have an outlet to charge their handheld devices that come in the form of USB ports dito. So, chikiting friendly talaga tong SUV na to. Medyo tito word yung chikiting ha. Tama na yan. Let's go drive this thing. Alright, so itong Toyota Fortuner, this LTD variant in particular is powered by a 2.8-liter diesel engine. So mararamdaman mo yun, kayang-kaya niyang ibigay yung power and torque na kaya ring humatak ng heavy loads. On paper, the Toyota Fortuner makes as much as around 200 horsepower and around 500 Newton meters of torque. So hindi ka mabibitin. Yun nga lang, medyo laggy ng konti yung acceleration niya. And medyo maingay pa yung makina niya. So yung engine niya is mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Kagaya nga ng sinabi ko, medyo laggy siya ng konti. Medyo may delay ng konti yung shifting and mararamdaman mo kasi meron siyang shift shock. Pero to help you naman on conquering different terrains, etong Toyota Fortuner LTD variant offers different driving modes, namely Eco, Normal, and Sport. In terms of NVH levels, I can say na decent naman ang performance ng Toyota Fortuner. Yun nga lang, syempre, kapag medyo mataas na yung rev mo, mabilis na yung takbo mo, medyo maingay na yung makina. Although, yung sound deadening naman niya, medyo okay din. Medyo hindi mo maririnig yung mga kasabay mo on the road. Although, be warned, yes, apparent ang road noise at ang engine noise while you're inside the cabin of the Toyota Fortuner. Pagdating naman sa suspension, hindi naman secret na medyo matagtag at maalog talaga tong Toyota Fortuner. That's because naka double wishbone at multi-link suspension kasi siya. However, in the long run, syempre okay din naman yun kasi mas durable siya. Pagdating naman sa fuel economy, itong Toyota Fortuner clocks in at around 13 to probably 14 kilometers per liter. Ano na yun ha? Mixed driving conditions. So yung traffic and expressway, highway, kasama na ron. Pagdating naman sa safety, kaya pa rin sumabay ng Toyota Fortuner sa mga bagong SUVs na may mga medyo bagong technology, ano? Kagaya na lang ng Toyota Safety Sense System na standard dito sa variant na to. Meron kang pre-collision assist, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Additionally, nandito rin yung mga standard safety features like ABS with EBD, saka blind spot monitoring. Standard din ang multiple airbags natin, saka yung rear cross traffic alert, and syempre hindi natin makakalimutan yung 360-degree view camera. Price-wise, medyo above average ang Toyota Fortuner, no? Etong range-topping models na LTD variants would set car buyers around 2.3 to 2.5 million pesos. Pero sa tingin nyo, okay ba yung price niya? Pasok ba sa budgets nyo and sa needs nyo? Justifiable ba yung ganong price tag? Let us know in the comment section below. So there you have it, our review of the Toyota Fortuner. To answer our question earlier, yes, strong choice pa rin ang Toyota Fortuner in 2023. Now, if you're asking kung worth it pa rin ba na bumili ng nameplate na to, yes, worth it pa rin siya. Although marami na siyang competitor na nag-offer ng much more advanced technological features, pero at the end of the day, ang labanan ay reliability. And that's what you'll get with Toyota. Now, if we've helped you make a buying decision, then do consider liking this video and sharing it with your friends. And while you're at it, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube and other social media pages. Again, this is Paulo, and we'll see you on the next episode.